Hey there, I'm Lisa from HubSpot, and welcome to the latest edition of the Product Spotlight. In this video, my fellow HubSpotters and I will walk you through this month's biggest HubSpot product updates, but from the safe and physical distance of our own homes. This month, I want to kick things off with a really exciting personal tour of HubSpot's brand new product line, CMS Hub. So without any further ado, let's dive right in.
Hi there, it's Alex on the product marketing team. I hope you're all doing well. I'm really excited today to talk to all of you about HubSpot's newest hub. Earlier this month, we announced the launch of CMS Hub. Now, the all-new CMS Hub takes the pain out of managing your website so you can focus less on your systems and more on what really matters, the experience that you're providing the customers that are visiting your website. The new CMS Hub has a bunch of new features for both your marketers and developers to take advantage of. So I invited some of my friends on the product team to come along and take us on a quick tour of everything that's new in the CMS Hub.
Hi everyone, I'm Will, the product manager of the CMS developer tools here at HubSpot. With the launch of CMS Hub, we have a couple of exciting updates for developers. Themes in CMS Hub allow developers to build websites using the workflows, tools, and technologies they prefer with the brand new CMS CLI local development tooling. Themes are a portable collection of assets that developers build to create design systems for content creators to work within. We also relaunched the CMS developers website. It has a new look and feel with a bunch of new documentation and tutorials on newly launched features like themes and the local development tooling. Follow the new Quick Start Guide to get up and running with local development and themes today. Enjoy!
Hello, my name is Tori and I'm the product manager of CMS Assets. Now that you've been introduced to themes, let's explore two new theme assets to help you get started building a website quickly on CMS Hub. Developers can now leverage the CMS boilerplate, designed to offer a head start to building great websites and integrates seamlessly with local development tooling. If you don't have access to development resources, not to worry. Themes contain everything you need to create a beautiful website on CMS Hub. There are now 7 default themes available for all CMS users, built to inspire and empower. These default themes offer a variety of designs and require no coding skills to create a beautiful website fast. So get inspired today. Use a theme asset to build your next website on CMS Hub. Happy building!
Hi everyone, I'm Katie, a product manager for the page editor here at HubSpot. We recently released drag and drop page editing, giving marketers the ability to fully change the layout of their pages. With drag and drop, you can drag modules by themselves, but you can also drag whole columns, rows, and sections of modules. This editing update also comes with some intuitive new styling options like background colors, images and gradients, alignment, and cloning. Ready to take advantage of drag and drop page editing? If you have access to the Website Pages tool, check out one of our beautiful new themes, which are all drag and drop enabled. Or if you have the Landing Pages app, you now have access to starter templates, which you can fully customize using drag and drop. That's all for me. Happy editing.
CMS Hub comes in 2 tiers, Professional and Enterprise. Now, all the features that Tori, Will, and Katie just walked you through are available in CMS Hub Professional and make it easier for marketers and developers to manage a website. CMS Hub Enterprise comes with all the features that you have in Professional, but also includes features that allow you to create web app experiences, to create membership-driven content, and also get more governance over a growing team. And we'll be back next month to talk to you more about all the new features that are in CMS Hub Enterprise. But if you'd like to learn more information right now, feel free to check out the link in the description below.
Dashboards bring multiple reports into a single canvas so that their shared context can unlock even more insight than any single report possibly could. So for example, a marketing team might bring a lead quantity report right next to a lead quality report so that they're making sure that they have both enough leads and also the right type of leads. The right dashboard can align your team and improve your leverage immensely with leadership. And with today's update, the perfect dashboard is just a few clicks away. So we've created a curated collection of pre-built dashboards based on common use cases and best practices. Use our dashboards as they come or as inspiration to create one of your own. Here's how it works. Click the Create Dashboard button on any HubSpot dashboard. Choose from any of the pre-built dashboard templates. Select your reports that you'd like to have on the dashboard upon creation. Name the dashboard, assign permissions, and you're all set. The new dashboard library is now available to all HubSpot accounts. Check it out. To keep your team efficient, you need to keep your database clean. And to that end, sometimes you delete old properties that are no longer in use. But what happens if you delete a property by mistake? Or if you realize later on that you actually did need that property after all? The property recycle bin takes the stress out of property deletion. No need to manually rebuild a field if you make a mistake, simply restore it. No harm, no foul. Here's how it works. Navigate to Settings and Properties and find the Deleted Properties tab. Choose a property to restore and restore it. And you're done. The property recycle bin is now available to all HubSpot accounts.
Hi everyone, Elise here from the product marketing team, and today I'm going to share a little bit more about some of the latest updates to products. So products is a feature that's included in Sales Hub Professional and Sales Hub Enterprise, and it allows you to build a product library, tie those products to deals, and ultimately report on the sales performance of your different products. So we recently introduced a new default SKU property for products, which is fantastic for companies with a large or complex product portfolio. You can add a SKU to any product, and that SKU will be unique across the products in your product library. Product SKUs are searchable and viewable in the product library, deal, and quote views. We've also added the ability to add custom properties to your products. Think details like product type, colorway, dimensions, or anything else you may need to track about your products. To start using those custom product properties, navigate to the property settings and choose product properties from the dropdown. Once you've created your new properties, they'll be reflected in the product library and in deal and line items. And you'll be able to segment and report on these properties once you start tying those products with those custom properties back to your deals. It's important for sales reps to work efficiently from anywhere, and we're making significant improvements to the mobile app to make it easier for reps to accomplish key tasks and activities right from their phone. With the latest updates to the HubSpot mobile app, you can now view key information about your tasks like type, due date, associations, and queues right from the task tab. View task details and execute that task with just one click. These latest updates are now available on iOS and Android.
Hi everyone, I'm Joe from the product marketing team, and I've got some awesome updates to conversations that I'm excited to share with you. First up is the sent view in the conversations inbox. Previously, you would see inbound and outbound emails cluttered together in your conversations inbox, forcing you to spend valuable time closing those threads instead of focusing on the conversations that matter. With this update, you'll see a sent view on the left side of your inbox. This is where you can view emails sent from the conversations or the CRM. Don't worry, these emails will still show up in all other relevant views once your customers reply to your original email. The sent view is now live for all conversations users. Next up, I'd like to tell you about some new ways Service Hub Starter portals can automate tickets. Service Hub Starter portals created after March 3rd now have the ability to automatically change a ticket status when an email is sent or received. This helps your customer support reps remain organized, ensuring that no ticket falls through the cracks. In addition, Service Hub Starter users now have access to the Ticket Workflow Builder found in the ticket settings. Here, you can build workflows to send internal notification emails to alert your team of a new ticket, or ticket kickback emails to give your customers peace of mind that their ticket has been received and is being worked on. Next up are some awesome improvements to calling. It's more important than ever to make sure calling is a flexible, seamless experience, so we're very excited to roll out these features. With the provider switcher, you can now switch between the HubSpot and Twilio calling services whenever you want, even before you finish your HubSpot calling minutes. We know that each organization has unique calling needs, so we want you to be able to use whichever system works best for you. That's why, with this update, you can now switch between the HubSpot calling and any of the third-party calling integrations found in the app marketplace. In addition, we've also rolled out custom call outcomes. Tracking call outcomes is a vital metric that sales reps use to measure their performance. But up until now, they've only had a narrow set of 6 call outcomes to choose from. With this update, portal admins can create custom call outcomes specific to their organization, making the call outcome metric much more useful for tracking productivity. That's it for me. Take care.
Documentation is one of the most important tools that developers use to build on HubSpot. It helps them understand how our APIs work, how to use them, and most importantly, can inspire them to see what is possible on the HubSpot platform. With all of that in mind, that is why we have launched a complete redesign of our API documentation website. The redesign includes an updated IA and design to make it easier to find the right information quickly, interactive features you can use to make test calls directly on the documentation, tutorials, SDKs, and downloadable Postman collections. To explore the new API documentation site, check out the link in the description below. That's all for today, folks. As always, if you can't get enough HubSpot product updates, you can check out our product updates blog using the link in the description below. Also, keep an eye out for our monthly newsletter that highlights some of our most exciting product updates to help you stay informed. We'll see you next month.